The other day I was in Dollar Tree and I just assumed that this item was gone. But it's not. It's here. Check it. So this is the favorite item I'm talking about. These gold plates right here, these are $1.25. They are decorative plates only. Absolutely love this. It gives that gold vibe. Honey, you guys know I'm a gold girl, fancy pantsy Nancy. And then they also have these plates over here, these silver plates, which are $1.25. I had seen these before. And get into it, honey. They bringing out all they blue items, the blue cups, the blue saucers, the blue plates, and I guess all for the 4th of July. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here moving their feet. Okay, I told you I'm here to slay, and we ain't finna delay. Check this out. Have you guys seen these? Oh, child. These glass bottles, honey, they fancy like your girl, okay? Get into it and do it. Now, they come in different options, different colors. Check this out. Okay, good looking. Check this out. Dollar Tree has these items right here. These are $1.25. Absolutely love this. Honey, with the fake diamond at the top. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here doing it. Now, they also have this vase over here, vase, what y'all call it? I call it a vase, okay? Comes in different colors. Absolutely love the colors. They also have these over here, these glass jars. These are fancy pantsy Mancy, $1.25. These trinket boxes, $1.25 as well. That comes in different colors. Love this, like flowers. And then they also have these mugs over here. Styling and definitely profiling. Number one mama, okay? I know that's right. Home is where mom is. I know that's right. They also have these bags over here that's really, really cute. These are $1.25. And look at the little rhinestone. Chill. Let me know in the comment section which one of these gifts that you love. Is it A, okay, the little jars? Is it the vases? B, okay, C, D, or E? These bags. Dollar Tree also have these Mother's Day cards over here. I absolutely love these for my beautiful mother. I know that's right. Let's open it and see. Let's see. All right, wishing you a beautiful Mother's Day you deserve. Let me tell you something, okay, Dollface. Can I tell you something? Can I share this with you? You don't mind, do you? I know you don't. That's why I'm gonna share it. Listen, Mother's Day is every day, okay? I hope your day is sprinkled with fun. Happy Mother's Day. Look at this with the donuts. Love it. Okay, let's move along, shall we? Let's go. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious, tremendous, terrific, magnificent day. Okay, honey, Dina is at the Dollar Tree about the slay and ain't finna delay. Now we gonna see if Dollar Tree have us moving our feet to the beat out in these streets. Let's see what they have inside. Now I am in here for some cleaning supplies. I'm gonna get a few items here and then I'm gonna go to another Dollar Tree to get a few items there. Let's go inside. Now, when I tell you Dollar Tree is doing a thing for you and me, look at them being all bougie, okay? Look at this. Now, we done went over these candles, some of them, and oh my goodness, this smells so good. The coconut colada, the lemon sherbet. The dragon fruit smells delightful. And these are $5. Honey, get into it. Aren't they fancy? They also have these candles as well. Dragon fruit, when it comes to the candles at Dollar Tree, is always a home for me. Okay, it always smells really, really good. Now, they also have these scented candles. The Malibu Lagoon smells really, really good. The Good Vibes and Mindful Clarity candles, you know, it don't really have that punch, you know, that it's supposed to have, in my opinion. Now, Dollar Tree also have these lanterns over here. The larger ones are $5, and then they also have the smaller ones, which are $3. So I heard you guys were looking for some new items at Dollar Tree. Okay, now my name is Dina. I'm in a place to be. I'm gonna have you move your feet to the beat, okay, out in these streets. Let's get into it. These are so cute, these tumblers with the straws. And let me know, when it comes to summer, what are some of the fun items that you guys like to get? This strawberry tumbler, oh my goodness, honey, I just see that filled up with some ice and some lemonade or some ice cold tea, sweet tea. Oh, what a time. They also have these plates down here that goes with napkins. These plates, $1.25. I believe you get 6 of these, honey. I can't even pull it out. Now, they also have these napkins. These are so cute. Shade, Deem, Lime. And then they also have these philanthropical. Really cool. 14 plates for $1.25. I absolutely love these tumblers. I cannot stop taking my eyes off these. These are so cool. Now, Dollar Tree also have these cups over here. They tumblers. They come in different colors as well. These are $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree has this 4-foot inflatable summer decor. Look at the flamingo, okay? They also have this little tree right here. Absolutely love these. Oh my goodness. And when I tell you, still deals like Holyfield is the pineapple inflatable buffet coolers, okay? Look at the the macaroni salad, honey. I don't know who made that, but honey, it look good. They also have these disco balls over here. These are $3. And then they also have the LED lights at 12 count, $5, along with the strawberries and the watermelon. Absolutely love this. They also have the outdoor decorative pillows, which are $5. Dollar Tree had brought more and to stock, okay? Really fancy. Love these. Another fun item that Dollar Tree has is these bunch balloons. These are $3. Fill and tie dirty water balloons in 20 seconds. Absolutely love these. Honey, as you can see, these are pretty much so selling out. Another hot item is the flexible tripod fan that comes in 2 different colors. Dollar Tree has it in black, and then they also have it in white. This is a 5-inch, $5 strong flow, wraps around intricate objects, 3 AA batteries not included. These are $5. All right, so I'm definitely going to grab one of these. And this one is the cedarwood and tonka. Now, I told you guys, these smell so good. You get 5 of these for $3. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. They also have the berry burst. I tried the berry burst. Absolutely love the berry burst. But you know, every now and then you want to try something. You want to do something. And you want to change things up a little. Okay, shake it up a little. Now, another item that I am going to get is these lavender tour kitchen drawstring bags. You get 35 for $5. Love this. All right, so another new item that Dollar Tree has is these shimmer tinsel headbands. I don't know about these. Okay, this is just not my cup of tea. But honey, you do what works for you. Okay, these are $1.25. Okay, family, so I'm going to go to the register with these 2 items, and then I'm going to get the rest of the items that I need from the next Dollar Tree. Honey, we out here moving our feet. Okay, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace.